Evening, Joff, Motorhome Adventures. What are we up to tonight? Joffy is doing some little maintenance jobs on his moho. I've got my grey water fresh concentrated stuff out. I've done just about halfway, I think. So we're just going to chuck a little bit of this down the sink and stuff. So what we do, just to freshen it up, is I think I'll just put about, because it all goes, all you want is enough to go down the pipe. Let's chuck a bit of that down like that. Lovely. That's the old sink. That's a bit of unit there on the side, I think. Just gone down one little digit on the side. Right, so that's that one done. I'll leave that like that, and I'm going to put the plug back in and just sort of freshening up the drains a little bit. They're not too bad at the moment. We always like flush them out fairly well anyway. That's that one. That's same again down the sink in the bathroom. Another little dribble of that down there like that. Nice. Look at this stuff. Ooh, smells a bit very liquidy. But there's that one done. So I'm going to close that off. And next, out with the plugs on the shower tray. There's 2 plugs, and we're going to go down both outlets. There's the old outlet. I'm going to go down that one a bit. Little drop down there, and the opposite one. Oh, bit of spillage. Rightio. I have to get the wipes out. But yeah, I love this shower because it's got 2 outlets. Absolutely love it to death. 2 outlets in the shower. Whatever position you're on with your moho, it just disperses the water straight away. Lovely. So I'm just going to get my little wet wipe. Yeah, so I've got a bit of kitchen roll actually. That'll do. Just wipe that around. Like that. Cool. I'll just put the lid back on there. That's cool. Little wipe around there. Lovely. And plug back in. That's lovely. So that should freshen up all the pipes down to the tank, which will be cool. Keep it smelling good. We're going to chuck that back in there. Put my little mat back in. There we go. Lovely. Look at that. Custom fitted by Joff from Motorhome Adventures. Yeah, just wanted to, if anybody's watched our little latest video, we did 4 videos last weekend from down in the South Hams, and we had a fantastic weekend, absolutely fantastic. And we stayed at the that Carrageen camping site down there, and it was superb, absolutely superb. You couldn't wish for a better place. If you want to go down walking around the South Hams, visiting the South Hams, Hope Cove, around the Solcombe area, on that point down there, absolutely stunning campsite. Just got the little map there, their little Carrageen logo there, and this is the map of their site. We were down on that one there, so there's all the pitches along this row up the top end. They got pitches down there, well spaced out, lovely. They got some static vans up here. Just looking at this, they have actually got pitches up along this top field, but she was saying to me that they only have a limited time up there, something to do with the camping license they've got or something. And it's for like a limited time in July going into August, I think it was. So they got some nice pictures up there with a stunning view. But yeah, can't recommend these guys highly enough. There's actually the plan of the top field. So we were sort of down in this site down along there. So there's the top field, and they got all these pitches all the way around there. And believe me, yeah, if you can see, hopefully you can see the numbers there. If I can get a good shot of the numbers there, might tag in a picture as well. Yeah, so I'll tag in a couple of pictures as well, so it'll be a bit clearer. So if you want to look at that, at least you can look at the pitch numbers and freeze it on your TV or your iPad or whatever, and see what number, if you want to quote a number, which would be really good if you want to get a particular position. Excuse all the writing on this. This is where the guy was explaining to me where all the bits and pieces was, and they have on Saturday, was it Saturday, Friday night? Friday night they had a food wagon up there doing pizzas and stuff, and I think through the season they have different stuff going on. But there you go. So that's that. Next little exciting bit that I wanted to mention is, yeah, we're gaining subscribers. We are on 188 subscribers. So I'm like, again, we're getting subscribers. I'm happy chappy, you know. Obviously, thank you very much if you've recently subscribed to our channel. And whether you've seen any of my previous videos, we did a 100 subscriber giveaway, and we're going to do the same again for 200 subscribers. So we've now got 12 subscribers to gain. If we can gain another 12 subscribers, I am going to do another little giveaway. So, and just an example of the next giveaway, because my theory is I like good photographs, and I've just printed off this one, which we shot down off the Snape's Point with the drone. We did a beautiful, awesome shot of the boats on these moorings down on the river, and I'm really happy. It's on A3 size metallic paper, and it's an awesome, I don't know if you can get that. And it's that picture is an absolute one-off. That metallic paper, you can just see that. I can just get a bit of light on there, so you can see the sheen on that kind of metallicness of the paper, which is, I can just see it in the camera now. But that's going to be, I think that could be the picture that's up for grabs. So if you want this limited edition picture, this is not limited. This is basically, this is the only print of this picture that's ever been done like this, because we took the picture. So yeah, so we've got another 12 subscribers to gain, and then we will be giving this picture away. And what we're going to do, again, I'll just explain what we normally do on these giveaways. I will be just asking one simple question. If you've watched our videos, it will be pretty straightforward. So the first person, when I load that video, to make a comment with the answer to that question, we will then get in touch with them, and we will get it shipped off to them. And so yeah, so we're happy bunnies. Thank you very much for watching this video. I like to just keep a little, just keep going on these blogs, and yeah, we're really enjoying things at the moment. Looks like the news tonight looks very, very promising for maybe some international travel, which is phenomenal. I am like major excited. We've done some major trips before, and we know some incredible places, and we want to take, like I said before, we want to take you guys to these places, and I hope you guys are enjoying these. I like, these are my little yappy videos, you know what I mean? Just if you want any questions or whatever, what we're doing, you know, what we're using, what we're up to, what we're just on these ones, just hit us up on this. My other videos, yeah, if you want any information on them videos, again, just hit us up and ask a question, not a problem, and we will do our best to sort you out with the answers to them questions, and locations and stuff. And yeah, basically our video, my style of video, I just love shooting like cinematic stuff, and put in some good music with them, and but we'll see what happens in the future. Maybe we'll change, I don't know. But hey, okay, thanks for checking out this video, guys. And don't forget, this competition, 12 subscribers time. Keep an eye, there will be a video coming up, and we will be giving away this incredible picture. So hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you soon. Good night. And one last thing, seeing that England just absolutely rocked it out last night, Sunday, football's coming home. Thanks for watching.